everybody, and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, owner of LJ Law and your host. Today we are talking about a topic that quite often goes forgotten, and that is how to avoid arguments about your child's passport with your ex. Before I get started with that, I want to remind you that if you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, don't hesitate and go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com, and I'll be happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. So the topic at hand is how to avoid arguments about your child's passport after your divorce or custody decree has been finalized. Many times after a divorce or the decree case has been finalized, parents continue to have high conflict relationships when it comes to their children. And one recurrent issue that I see over and over again is the argument between exes when it comes to either renewing or obtaining a passport for their child. Quite frequently, the parent holding the child's passport fails to provide the passport to the other parent when requested, does not renew the passport when it expires, refuses to give the other parent the information necessary to complete the passport application, or refuses to accompany the other parent to the passport office to finalize the last steps in getting the passport. As important as this issue is, it is unfortunately gets overlooked or forgotten quite frequently during the divorce or the custody process. There's a simple way to avoid this ordeal, and simply that is by making sure that your divorce or your custody decree has a provision addressing the child's passport. So for example, your decree should specify things such as both parents must fully cooperate with each other in obtaining or renewing the child's passport. Which parent is to have the physical possession of the passport? The parent who is responsible for holding on to the passport must be responsible to keep the passport updated and shall provide a copy of the renewed passport to the other parent. And the parent responsible for holding onto the passport must also provide the passport to the other parent a few weeks before a scheduled travel date to avoid any issues. These are just simple ways that you can avoid future headaches, future hassles, future arguments with your ex regarding your child's passport. If you have questions about this topic, like I stated earlier, or you want to discuss a different topic with me at length, please go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. And as always, I want to thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.